Yeah, there's a lot to be thankful for. I don't take anything for granted. You never know what can happen any day. You know, my dad is really fortunate to be here, and he flew down from Canada. And I thank God every day for everything that's happened. Life is short.
And you're only 17 years of age. Coming up next, Daniela Hanzukova. I'm sure you haven't given 1 second of thought. That's our job here at ESPN. How are you going to get ready for a next match?
Take everything I learned today. Hopefully I can play like this again, and we'll see how it goes.
Congratulations on an extraordinary win tonight. Mike.
Amazing. At age 7, along with her cousins, held for hours by gun-wielding thieves. In Haiti, that's usually a death sentence during one of those situations. Somehow they were free, survived what she called a terrifying moment. Dad rescued from near death as he dug out from that earthquake rubble in Haiti. All of that real adversity, not being down at break point, not being too